Hi, welcome back. So in this particular session, we'll continue to discuss the if-else statement with some example, some few more examples. Okay, right? So let us take one example. In order, this is whether we want to find a greater of two numbers. Okay, right? Greater of two numbers. Say we have two numbers. One is suppose 5, another is 8. So which one is greater? So sorry, one is 5, another is 9. So which one is greater? So 9 itself is the greater. Okay, yes, right? So greater of two numbers, we can easily solve this problem by using the if statement. So if it is 5 is uh, uh, greater than uh, if 5 is greater than 9, then we say this is greater. Okay, else we don't say anything, but we want to mention here both. If 5 is greater, then we say 5 is greater than 9, else if it is not, we'll say this is not greater than 9. Okay, right? So how are we going to do this particular problem? Yeah, the same thing, we will be using the if else statement. So let us again try to recap the things. I have two numbers. Okay, right? Yes, I have two numbers, and okay, I want to find out which particular number is the greater. Okay, yes, so I can easily write like this. Okay, so 5 and 9. Okay, so if I will check if 5 is greater than 9, that means we'll print what? 5. Else if is 5 is not greater than 9, what we're going to print is 9. Okay, let us, this time again may be very confusing, so let us take one thing. We don't know what the number is, so I say number 1 and number 2. Okay, now I say num1 greater than num2. Now in this num1, if it is greater than num2, and if this is true, that means what? Num1 is greater. Correct? Right. And if this is false, if this is false, then who is greater? Num2 is greater. Yes. Right? So we have two numbers, num1 and num2. Now I said num1 greater than num2. If this is true, that means num1 is greater. Now if this is false, then num2 is greater. Now you can say with this example which we have said 5 greater than 9. So this is what? True or false? This is false. This is false. So that means who will be greater? 9. Yes. Now I said 15. 15 greater than 9. What is this? This is true. Yes. So that means 15 is, that means 15 is 15 is greater. Yes. Right. So let us check this with the Raptor tool. Okay. Now I will take the input. Okay. And then I will have the condition. Yes. And then we'll have the output. Okay. Right. So here we required word and the number. Right. So we have num1. Okay. So similarly, again one more input is required. Yes. What we say, enter the second number. Yes. So we have here num2. Okay. So num1, num2. Now the condition num1 greater than num2. So num1 greater than num2. Yes, num1 is greater than num2. So what we'll have? We'll have an output. Yes. So what will be with the output? A number greater is num1. Yes, the output is, so this will be num2. Let me remove this. Okay, so now let me save this. Okay, now we have entered number 1, we have entered number 2, then we have done a comparison. If number 1 is greater than number 2, we said yes, the number is greater, and if it is not, then we say number 2 is greater. So let's start. So number 1 I said 5. Okay, number 2 I said 9. So the number greater is 9, right? So the number greater is 9. Let me clear it. Then we have discussed about the number 15, right? So let's say this is 15 and the next number is 9. So what will be the, what will the larger greater number? It is 15, right? Okay, yes. So let us come back to the program. So it's very simple. So we declare two variable int num1 over num2. Yes, then we put the condition. Oh, sorry, we'll take the inputs printf until the first number. Yes, and see, scanf percentage d comma percent num1. Yes, similarly we're going to get for the, yes, for the second number, right? And this is num2. Okay, so we got the, now the condition is num1 greater than num2. Yes, the statement is printf in number percentage d is greater. Yes, we have the page bit. So enter the first number 5, enter the second number 9. So 9 is greater. Okay. Similarly, now enter the first number 15, enter the second number 19. So 15 is greater. Okay. Yes. So we have seen another example like finding which number is greater. So like that we can have another example whether the number is positive or a negative number. So simple, if it is greater than 0, it is a positive number. If it is less than 0, it is negative number, right? Yes. Okay, right. So I hope this if and statement is clear. Now let me tell one thing which is very important we should know, right? So we have put here relational operators. Okay, comparison, we are doing the comparison operator. Like last time we have seen num1 modulus of 2 equal to 0 and all, right? Can I have more expression? What will happen if I write like this? Okay, uh, okay, now I say there is one more, oh, variable. Okay, 3. Yes. Okay, so let's say num1 equal to 2, num3 equal to 3, num4 equal to 4. Yes, so here I said printf hello. yes, and then enter high. Okay, now here I write like this: num1 greater than num2 greater than 3. So what will be the output? Yes, right? So num1 I put 2, num2 with 3. If this will going to give any kind of error, let me see. No, it's not giving any error, but I got the answer. Okay, sorry, I executed. So tell me what will be the output, whether it will be hello, whether it will be hi. So 2 greater than 3, yes, and this again this greater than 10. I hope you have recalled this particular thing. Yes, how it is executed. It is executed from left to right or from right to left. Yes, if you remember, then you can easily give the answer. Okay, so this I keep as an assignment for you. Okay, similarly, okay, I have given like this. So can what will be going to happen like this? Num1, okay, is greater than num2 minus num4. Can we write like this? Okay, so let me again see whether you will get some kind of error. No. Yes, right? Did we get? Sorry, we should build it. Okay, num4. Okay, sorry, num3 it should be. Oh, wait, wait. Okay, fine. So let me build it again. Okay, no error. So what will be the output? Now here you see num1 is 2 and this is 3 minus 4. Yes. So what will be the output? Whether it will be hello, whether it will be hi. Yes. Right. Similarly, let us take more example. Okay. What will happen if I put like this? Okay. Right. So it is a num4. Right. I'll say num3 minus num1. Okay. Multiplied by say 2 by 3. Yes, and I said num4 is 14. Yes. Okay, you will get any kind of error. Again, I will see. Num4. Okay, sorry. Again, I will mistake num3. So here it will be num2 minus num1. Okay. Yes. Right. So now again I will build. Any error? No. Yes. So please take this as an exercise. See what I want to mean to say. So we can have expressions. Okay, inside the if statement. Only thing the expression will be evaluated. Okay, and in the last session it has told if it is any value which is positive like 1 2 3, any value which is negative like -2 and all, it will always considered as true. Okay, and if it is executed come out to be 0, then it will always going to give false. Okay, so I believe using this type of things we can do a lot of practice. Okay, yes, and you can understand how exactly the if else statement or the if statements executed. Okay, hope you have liked this video. Okay, in the next session we will be discussing about more on nested if else statement.